This is Digits 14-4, question number 5. The package for an item is in the shape of a square pyramid. Each side of the base is 14.6 centimeters. The height of each triangle face is 13.4 centimeters. Use a net to find how many square centimeters of packaging you need for 29 items. So keep in mind that the numbers on your digits problem number 5 are probably going to be different than mine. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a net of a square pyramid. So here's my square, not perfect, but close. And then each face is triangular. Now we need to put in the measurements. So it says each side of the base is 14.6. So because this is a square, we know that every single side of the square measures 14.6. Okay, so then we also know the height of each triangular face is 13.4. So I'm going to draw a little dotted line here, draw a little arrow because there's not really much room. 13.4 centimeters. Okay, so let's break this down. First thing we need to do is find the area of our square. Area of a square is side times side, okay? So the area of my particular square is going to be 14.6 times 14.6, okay? And then once we find that, we can go and move on to find the area of the triangles. So the triangles, right here, area is base times height divided by 2. So the area of this triangle is base. This is our base right here. And we know that every side of the square is 14.6. So the base of our triangle is also 14.6. We're going to multiply that times the height, which they said was 13.4, and then divide that whole thing by 2. That'll give us the area of just the orange triangle. But you have to remember that each one of these triangles are exactly the same as the first original triangle. They're all equivalent. So we can take our answer to this area question and multiply it times 4 because there are 4 triangles. So now we have the area of our square, and we're going to add that to the area of the triangles times 4, and that's going to be the total surface area of one square pyramid. But then we have to remember that they want to know, the question says, how many square centimeters of packaging do you need for 29 items? So if one item can fit in this square pyramid, we need to take the area that we found for this square pyramid and multiply it by 29 items, or add it 29 times, but we know that repeated addition is multiplication. So we take this answer and multiply it by 29, and that should give you your answer.